Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I will show you how I made this mango popsicle. This is very easy recipe that you can make on your own. This only requires 2 ingredients. Only the mangoes, I'm using 4 mangoes and whipping cream. So this is very easy recipe and I know you can make it on your own. So I'll slice my mango and I'll use my hand blender to mash it into puree. And I'll be blending this for a while to make sure everything is well blended. So remember, it only requires 2 ingredients. Now I pour in my whipping cream and I'll be mixing all with my hand mixer to well combine. Remember, if you want it more sweet, you can add condensed milk. But for me, I think the mango is already sweet, so I don't need the condensed milk. So that's why it's only 2 ingredients. Here you can see it's all turned out so well combined. Now I'll be pouring it into my bag to guide me into the mold. But if you feel free to pour directly, but I use this bag as a guide. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and follow my page at Glatory Flavors. Here you can see the bag works so well because it's like a guide to help me point to the mold. So here I'll be freezing it for 4 hours. Oh, it's so good. It came out so well. You have to freeze this for 4 hours. You can see, whoa, everything came out so well freezed, and the shape, everything is so nice. So these are one of my summer delights that I like to eat during summer. So hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy to make. I bet you only requires only 2 ingredients to make this. Hope you will get to try this. And remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, please subscribe to my channel at Glatory and follow my page on Facebook at Glatory Flavors. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. Only 2 ingredients. You don't need anything more. And this is partly healthy to eat, okay? I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.